this is Sue. I wanted to share something with you. Some of you may know I signed up for Fun Stampers Journey. So I am a coach for Fun Stampers Journey, and I really am excited to share with you everything with you guys. But I think the first thing I really wanted to share with you is their Bloom Box. This is the Bloom Box, and I know this is backwards. I'm sorry. The Bloom Box is a monthly subscription, and it is $29.95 a month. Unless you sign up for 6 months at a time, then you get $5 off a month, which would be $30. So it would be $24.95 a month, which is a great deal, and I will show you why. I'll show you what's in this. So it's basically a card kit, but there are 4 cards that you do. And what comes in this box is all of this. So what it is, number 1, you get a booklet that has instructions to make 4 different cards. This is January's. This one is, everybody's really excited about this because I want you to look closely at this succulent and look at the shading and how pretty and detailed this is. Isn't that pretty? You can just really see those recessed areas in the succulent. That's a neat stamp set. So sometimes we get a stamp set and we think, oh, that's really cool, but what do I do with it? You just sit there and stare at it and don't really know what to do with it. And this is why kits are really good, is because this kit comes with all these instructions. So card by card, they go through and teach you how each card was made and how to put it together. Of course, if you want to put it together your own way, that's totally fine. If you want to use different colors, that's totally fine. But in these in these card kits, everything that you need comes in the kit. Everything, well, not everything. You use your own ink, you use your own adhesives, but it comes with almost everything. So on the first page, there's always a new technique that the kit is teaching, and there's usually more than one that you're going to be learning that's new, but they kind of highlight a technique, and on that first page, they teach you how to do it. So that is the first page of this, and then it goes card by card. It tells you all the materials that you need. It tells you everything that they've used in the card kit. If you don't have everything that's in the card kit, if you don't have their inks, you can always just use your own thing and do it your own way. So that comes, and then next, a full-size stamp set. So this one is the one with this month. It comes with, this one has 2 terrariums right here, 2 succulents, and that's that one that was so pretty when it was stamped, and 2 cacti. And there are 4 sentiments: just right for you, thinking of you, get well soon, and well wishes. So that's a nice stamp set. Okay, the thing about the stamp sets is they're deep etched red rubber, and the image that you'll get with those are so much better than you would get with your typical silicone stamps. So that's why this company uses red rubber. It's much better. So there you go on that. It also comes with 4 envelopes to fit the cards that you're making. And then here are the 4 card kits. So they're all packaged neatly in their own little bag, and they have everything you need. So like this one, it looks like it has let me see if I can get that to work in the light. Oh, that works. You can see, like, there's a white background, and then there's this white frame. It's all cut out and ready to go for you. Let's see. This one has a ton of little doodads in it. It has things that are cut out. Has some string, a paper clip, that fun silver trim. Oh, and some sparkle cuts. Sparkle cuts are, I love them. They're so fun. Okay, like this one has these black strips, decorative strips that I'm pretty sure we got the other half of the package. Now that's not even half because it's a long package, but we got some of these last month as well for our card, or maybe the month before. But see, they're generous. They always give you a little extra, so you'll never run out. You always have enough. It looks like, yeah, one of the papers in here has been embossed. It has a texture to it. Okay, see this? I looked through the catalog, didn't even notice these. Is that the cutest paper clip you've ever seen? With that little flower on it? That's so cute. So anyway, that's another reason these kits are so fun, is because you kind of get to use the products and then you can go, oh, I want some of that, or didn't like this so much. So anyway, it's so fun. And somehow I think it would be fun if we kind of started a little card kit club, and we could either, if you're local, maybe we could meet and do them, or we could do it maybe virtually online all together. Maybe make a separate group, and whoever's getting the card kits, we can just make those together. I thought that would be really fun. So I just wanted to share that with you. I will make sure that I put a link somewhere. I'm not used to doing these videos, so I'm kind of still learning where to put everything, but for sure on the blog, I will put a link, and try to put it other places too, like maybe Facebook. I'll put it in the comments section. And then if you want to sign up for this, I think it would be so much fun. So anyway, here we go. Wish me luck on these videos. I'm kind of nervous because I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet, but hopefully they're just fun. And never any pressure. I've never pressured anybody into buying anything. If you want to just hang around and watch the group, that's totally cool too. So anyway, but if you'd like to do it with us, we'd love it. Have a good day. Thanks.